Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Crisis and Mental Health Training Program Preview. We'll give you an overview of the various certified training programs that we offer in the area of crisis and mental health here at McMaster Continuing Education. My name is Monica Bilan, and I'll be facilitating the session today. So McMaster University Continuing Education offers a series of trainings or workshops in the area of crisis and mental health. All the workshops are certified by external associations. These workshops are offered in person at our 1 James North downtown Hamilton location. Due to regulations set by the certifying associations, these trainings are not available online. The workshops are an excellent way to enhance your helping skills in areas of suicide, crisis, and mental health management. They're all non-credit professional development workshops. You'll learn how to recognize the signs of crisis and mental health distress and how to provide immediate support through a variety of models. These industry-recognized workshops are taught by certified trainers. Courses are run in conjunction with certifying bodies, including LivingWorks, Mental Health Commission of Canada, and Safe Management Group. Upon successful completion, participants receive a formal certificate from the certifying body. So we offer 4 separate and distinct workshops. They can be taken individually, or if you want to take more than one, they can be taken in any order. So we'll talk about each one of them in turn, and I'll mention the age requirements and any other restrictions to keep in mind. These training programs are recognized and often required by employers in certain fields such as healthcare, social services, mental health and addictions, HR, health and wellness, first responders, law enforcement, school boards, and child and youth workers. Having a certificate in specific crisis and mental health training is an excellent enhancement to existing education, professional experience, or personal interest. So the first one here, the Applied Suicide Intervention Skills Training, or ASIST for short, is run under the regulations of LivingWorks, the certifying body. This is a 2-day practice-based interactive workshop where you'll work in a small group setting with 2 certified trainers. You'll learn to recognize the signs that someone may be contemplating suicide and how to provide immediate short-term safety. You'll also explore how attitudes influence views on suicide, prevention, and intervention. Participants must be at least 16 years of age or older to attend. Full attendance on both days is required. A certificate from LivingWorks will be issued to successful participants at the end. Safe Talk is run under the regulations of LivingWorks as well, the certifying body. This is a half-day workshop. Workshop is designed to make you a suicide alert helper. You'll learn how to recognize when someone with suicidal thoughts is reaching out to you for help and how to connect them to appropriate intervention resources. Having Safe Talk trained helpers is important for healthy communities and settings. Hands-on practice with a certified trainer will teach you how to move through the talk steps, which actually breaks down as tell, ask, listen, and keep safe. Participants must be at least 15 years of age or older to attend. Attendance for the entire half day is required, and a certificate from LivingWorks will be issued upon completion of the program. The Mental Health First Aid Workshop is also interactive and runs over the course of 2 days, and it's 12 hours in total. Training is certified by the Mental Health Commission of Canada. You'll learn how to recognize, respond, and support mental health wellness. The primary goal of the workshop is to increase mental health awareness, decrease stigma, and provide basic intervention skills and techniques. You'll learn a model designed to provide mental health first aid. You'll also learn the importance of promoting good mental health. The 4 most common mental health-related disorders will be explored, which includes substance use, mood, anxiety and trauma, and psychotic disorders. Participants must be at least 18 years of age or older to attend. Full attendance on both days is required. A certificate from the Mental Health Commission of Canada will be issued upon successful completion, a few weeks after the training is completed. The crisis prevention workshop is provided by Safe Management directly at our continuing education location. Safe Management is a Canadian company based in Oakville, providing a variety of safety training programs to community and healthcare agencies and institutions. Crisis prevention training is geared primarily towards professionals that work with families, children, individuals with developmental disabilities, elder care, healthcare, and community organizations. The program is based on evidence-based practice and techniques developed by a team of psychologists, behavior analysts and therapists, and martial art experts. The primary goal of the course is to reduce risk and increase safety in professional community service and healthcare settings. Crisis prevention training focuses on crisis prevention and crisis management strategies, including aggressive behavior and physical intervention. Safe management programs are recognized and approved by the Ministry of Community and Social Services and the Ministry of Child and Family Services. Please note the following requirements for successful completion of a crisis prevention training. So successful participation in a 2.5-hour online program, followed by a one-day in-class session instructed by a Safe Management Group. Skills are evaluated and a pass criteria is established for both the de-escalation skills and physical intervention skills. And upon completion, participants were to receive the certificate of completion. Annual recertification is required. So these workshops are open enrollment, which means there's no application process or procedure. You can simply enroll online when you're ready and when enrollment is open. The only thing to keep in mind is the minimum age requirement, which I'd mentioned in the presentation, for Safe Talk, ASIST, and mental health first aid. These workshops can fill up quickly, so we recommend that you enroll well in advance. The workshop schedule is posted on our website, including the fees, for you to review. Please note that the schedule for the upcoming academic year will be posted on our website in early July. Also to note that obviously we're not offering in-person sessions for the spring term, so we won't be running anything in the spring, but that's where you can check our website in early July to see what we're offering for the upcoming year. I just want to quickly show you our website, just to show you some helpful links. So I'm sure you've all been here, McMasterCCE.ca. When you click on programs, you can search under the Health and Social Services section and click on Crisis and Mental Health Training. So a few things that you can review before registering for courses. As I mentioned, we have our schedule and fees listed here. So for anything for the next academic year, we'll have the schedule and the fees listed there. Frequently asked questions, and then there's further details about each of the 4 workshops are listed there. So I just want to make sure you're aware of the information that's on our website. So hopefully we'll see you in our workshops for the fall or the winter and the upcoming academic year. Wishing everybody to stay safe, and hopefully things will get better soon and we can see you at our building soon, okay? Thank you, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.